My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be an unboxing between the original Ipsy Glam bag and Ipsy Glam bag Plus. I haven't been receiving them at the same time, so it's been a minute since I've unboxed both of them and compared them, so I'm really excited. I don't know if this was the first month they started doing it, but it was the first month for me. I actually got to choose 3 of my products from my Ipsy Plus. So I know what 3 of them are, but I'm going to start out with my original Ipsy Glam bag, which is $12 a month. So let's see what I got. Oh, yes, this bag. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with rose gold, holographic. But anyways, I love holographic. I really, really like this bag. And I think there was something that wasn't inside. So let's start with that. And that usually means it's a brush, which I am really excited about. It is. Ooh, I like the neon orange color. Ooh, this is a Moda brush. Like a slanted shader. Okay. Huh. Let me pull up everything. So it's the Moda Neon Angle Shader, and it retails for $7.99. Alright, let's see what's next. Next is this Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser with 1.5% salicylic acid. It says the powerful gel formula clears up existing blackheads, whiteheads, and cysts and prevents new ones from forming too. So it's 1.5 ounces. And really, it's not going to tell me how much it is on here. So for a full size one, which is 6.75 ounces, it's $32. So I do get acne mostly around my period, so this will be really good for during those times when I'm breaking out like severely. So I do also have the Murad like acne spot treatment that I really like as well. So alright, next is this Tony Moly Moisture Boost Cooling Algae Eye Serum. Okay. It has a gel-like texture that instantly depuffs bags, leaving your eye area looking wide awake and refreshed. Alright. So for a full size, which is, it says 15 grams, and this is 10 mLs. So if you feel like doing that conversion there, it's $22. So I do like the Tony Moly brand, so I am down to try it. It has a 5-star review out of 361 reviews, so hey. And next we have, what is this? Is it a Tic Tac? Like seriously. Oh my gosh, how can I show you guys how small this is? Like, look at that. This is an Illamasqua powder eyeshadow in Invoke. I would lose this in like 2.3 seconds. It's so small. It's a really pretty color. It's just so small. It's nice and creamy. Pretty pigmented. Okay, and the last item is this Outre by Use Me Instant Repair Hair Mask plus CBD. Huh. Instantly repairs damage and split ends. 1 ounce. So it says CBD's magical benefits don't just stop at skincare. Its repairing and revitalizing properties are ideal for breathing new life into dry, damaged hair. Think of this mask as a super-powered conditioner. CBD strengthens, protects, smooths, and softens strands, whether they're straight or coily, for your healthiest hair ever. Huh, that's actually really interesting. So let me see this. I always love getting hair masks because my hair is definitely dry and damaged. So for full size, which is 4 ounces, it's $38, and this is 1 ounce, so it's 1/4 of that. Okay. It's not a bad bag at all. Excited about this. Excited about the cleaner. Always love getting brushes. I mean, I'm gonna try this. Not super excited about it, and I think I made it clear how I feel about this. But for 12 bucks, I mean, you know, not bad at all. Now let's get into the Ipsy Plus. Okay, so this month it's sort of like a drawstring bag. It usually comes in a box, but it came in just a larger size of like the styrofoam envelope, like the regular Ipsy Glam bag. Okay, I got a product that is not in the bag, so you guys know what that means. And this is one of the products that I did pick. So this is the Complex Culture Plush Powder Brush. I have gotten a couple of brushes from Complex Culture from Ipsy, and I really do love them. They're extremely good quality brushes. Oh, look at that. It just looks so luxe. Oh my god. It's literally the softest brush I've ever felt. Oh, I'm dying. So this retails for $35, but I mean, it like I said, it's a really good quality brush. All right, next, Murad Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So it says it's a lightweight anti-aging SPF moisturizer with powerful antioxidants, hydrates and conditions skin with essential fatty acids. Pomegranate and grapeseed extracts help restore suppleness and reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. I'm not the biggest fan of SPF in moisturizers. If I'm only gonna use SPF 30, like most of my foundations have that. And I definitely need something more than 30. I don't know, I feel like it just alters the chemistry of the moisturizer and it just doesn't feel the same. But I have not tried this one before, so we'll have to see. This is 1.7 fluid ounces. Oh my gosh, and this retails for $58. Damn. Okay, I mean, I guess I'll try it. It's gotta be good if it's $58, right? Not necessarily, but we can hope. All right, next we have this Beauty For Real Shadow Sticks 24/7 Eyeshadow Duo in Midnight Marathon and Ever Starstruck. So this one is Ever Starstruck. Ooh, that looks really pretty. That's like a pretty champagne. It's kind of hard to see because I'm just so fair and it's like light, but oh no, my earring! So it says it's a shimmery champagne. Oh, look at that. I was pretty good with guessing. And so retail value for these is $38. And then the other one, Midnight Marathon, it says it's a reflective topaz. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, I always love getting like shadow sticks. I really do like them. All right. Oh, I'm really mad at myself. This was one of the items I picked, but I didn't think it was clear. It is this Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel in Clear. Retails for $22. I actually just got this in an Ipsy Plus either last month or the month before. I didn't realize it was the same thing. But this will just be going in my giveaway pile. And the last product is this, Lovecraft Beauty Highlighter Palette in Aurora and Borealis. Okay, so it says one is golden and the other is pink. This retails for $29. Mother. It's just not my day today. Okay, one of them is broken, so I don't want to tip it too much. That would have been pretty. Okay, let's see what Aurora looks like. Oh, it's very creamy. It feels like a nice formula. Oh, those shadow sticks aren't wanting to come off. That's a good sign though. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. A nice like pearlescent pink. If you can see it on my fair skin. Let's swatch the other one. Ooh, that's a really pretty gold too. Why did it have to be broken? Oh, I hate that. Okay, all right, let me add up the retail value for the Ipsy Plus. So the retail value for my Ipsy Plus is $182, which is awesome. I'm really upset that it's a clear brow gel and that one of my highlighters is broken, but I'm not that excited about this, but I do want to try it because Murad is a good brand. And I'm so excited about that brush and the shadow sticks. So what do you guys think about my regular Ipsy and then my Ipsy Plus? I'm pretty happy with it this month. Alright guys, so I just worked the past 3 nights. I'm exhausted. It's 9:34 in the morning and I'm going to be taking a shower and getting some sleep. I love you. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and I will see you in my next video. Bye.